Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So Magic Newton token known as Newt will be listing today on various centralized exchanges, and this is the site where you'll be able to claim your tokens and also see your allocations. This site is newton.xyz, but claim is not open yet. So let's dive in. Let us know when claim is going to be open, how to claim, and then how many tokens are we going to be expecting from the Magic Newton airdrop, and what is the possible price that this airdrop will be listing. So let's dive in as we discover all this. I'm Crypto Insider, and if you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe. And if you're watching my videos but you're yet to subscribe, please smash the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. You can be getting updates from me whenever I post them. So let's go to the Newton X page so we can see the various announcements on how to claim and then how much we'll be receiving for participating for this airdrop. Also, the eligibility criteria for the airdrop will be disclosed on the X page and in this video. So this is the Magic Newton X page. You can see the new TGE and airdrop will go live June 24th. Centralized exchange listings will go live June 24th at 10 a.m. European time. So stay tuned for airdrop claim and details. So various centralized exchanges such as Mexi, Binance, and Bybit will be listing this token by 10 a.m. then by 3 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you click this link, you'll get to see how to check if you're eligible for this airdrop, the claim and the staking instructions, also the tokenomics. So let's open it and let's see the details there. So over here you can see the tokenomics. 6% of the token is going to the community, 18.5% to core contributors, 16.5% to early backers, and 5% to Magic Labs. And then this table represents the tokenomics and how it will be received. So 10% out of the 100 goes to the community, and it's 100% upfront unlock. But claim is not open yet, and these are the other various claims. Then what is the eligibility criteria that they use to who are eligible for this airdrop? You can see that Newt is going to be listing on ERC20 network. These are the criteria for the eligibility. If you use Newton.xyz to interact with the protocol before June 12th, Newton.xyz is like a wallet platform where you can buy, receive, send Newt tokens. So if you use it to interact before June 12th, you're eligible. If you're engaged in community activities, it'll be through the portal. If you use the Magic Newton portal, the Guild XYZ and Discord before June 12th, so you'll be eligible. If you yapped about Newton on X, then you'll be eligible. That's before June 19th. And if you performed on-chain actions with an active email linked Magic Labs embedded wallet, you'll be eligible too. Then let's talk about the claim details. How do we get to claim this Magic Newton tokens? So over here you get to see how you can get to claim. So you can see to be considered eligible for this airdrop, you must have participated in this. We talked about the Newton XYZ token. So people that participated in this, users can claim and receive their airdrop allocation as soon as the 30-day claim window begins on June 24th. So the claim will be starting today, but there's no specific time, and the claim portal is not yet open, but it's meant to open today and it will last for 30 days. And then if you engaged in, if you are part of those that engaged as a community, maybe through the Magic Newton portal, Guild, or Discord, then you'll be able to also claim when this opens on the portal, right? And then if you yapped about it, you can go ahead to check your eligibility and claim your rewards through Kaito platform. And if you participated in the Magic Labs, you can also get to claim your rewards. Then I think that's it for the claim. This is the site where you'll be able to claim. The link will be in my description. You can go ahead to click it, and then if the announcement for claim and if eligibility comes up, I'll be letting you know on my Telegram channel and also my YouTube channel. So do also subscribe and join my Telegram so you can get these updates whenever they come up. So if you're eligible for Newt airdrop, claim through activity on Newton.xyz, community engagement, sign up on Newton.xyz to check and claim within the window of June 24th to July 24th. You can see every Newton.xyz account activates 2 wallets for you. You can see it activates 2 wallets, smart contract wallet and the Newton rewards wallet that's on the, but it's not activated yet because claim is not open yet. So but if claim is open, let's activate this and let's show you your allocation and how much you get. But before then, go ahead to sign up on Newton.xyz, and then as I navigate to the airdrop claim page, then link your Newton portal account if you have one. So link Newton portal with the same email you used to open the Newton XYZ. Link it. You can try to stake or you can go ahead to read up this. Then over, you can also get to confirm and sign to claim your airdrop. So I think that's all concerning this. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so I'm getting updates from me. If the claim details are live, I will let us know on my Telegram channel and my YouTube. So subscribe and join my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.